Hello everyone, my name is Anishana and today we will cover custom script with the help of bash script or file. As you know that I have installed the push gateway on my worker node 2. This is my worker node 2 and here on this I have installed the push gateway and this is my worker node 2 and here we will create some custom script and it will be pushed by our push gateway. For that reason, I have already logged in into my GitHub page here and here I'm going to click on Prometheus. After that, I need to click on custom metrics from bash script and file. Let me click here, click on lab.md file and how to create custom metrics. In this, we will cover with the help of bash script or from the file. How to create the custom metrics with the help of bash script here. Let's take an example that we want to monitor one service, that is alert manager, which is not being monitored by the Prometheus exporter. Take an example, it will be any service that you want to monitor. Thus, we have created a matrix manually. There are many ways, like with the help of Python or some other languages, you may build a custom script. Since I am a Linux admin, I prefer to do it by bash script. Okay. Check the status of service. Let's me copy here and paste it over here. And it says that it is running. And here I'm going to tell you that how you can build the script one by one. Okay, so this is my command, and as you can see here that we are not getting the prompt sign here. I need to press Q sign, right? Let me clear the window here. We can grab some keywords like active. Let me copy here. If I do like this, I can see only one line is running. Afterward, please note that whenever we execute any command, and if the command is executed well, it gives me a zero in code. Let me show you here. Echo dollar question mark. It means that this command is executed well. If I use this one, run only, and after that it should be bracket, and this is not the case for me. I'm not getting any output here. If I again execute this command, I see a different output. Maybe one, or sometime if we have some other error, we will have different error code. But when you observe zero output of this question mark, dollar question mark, it means that the previous command is executed well. Let's include if and else statement with the command. If return code is zero, then it should print alert underscore service equal to 1, else it will print alert underscore service or dot equal to 0. In Prometheus, up matrix means we get to know that 1 means up and 0 means down. Let me show you here. If I execute up, all are showing me one value. It means that all are up here. If I click here and target, all are, you can see, are up here. Okay. Now what we can do here, we just use this command, and after that semicolon, if echo dollar, here I'm just adding here dollar question mark equal to 0, then it should print alert underscore service equal to 1, else it will say alert underscore service equal to 0. Okay, let me copy and paste it over here. I just added here semicolon. If this echo, I'm not writing here echo, I'm just using if here. Okay, it says alert dot service equal to 1. And now one can observe that I'm getting this output here, right? I don't require this output because here I'm creating the script. For that reason, we can use Q option with grep command. Q is for quit a silent. It says that quit means do not write anything to the standard output. Exit immediately with zero status if any match is found, or even if the error is detected. Now here I'm using minus Q sign and same command. Okay, but here I'm using underscore instead of dot. Now here I observe that alert manager underscore service is 1. This is my variable. Let me stop the alert manager services and execute the same command again, so that it should print alert service equal to 0. Let me copy here and paste it over here. Now one can observe that the value is changed from 1 to 0. It means that whatever I have created the script is good so far. Now post checks open the push gateway services GUI, and here this VM has the IP address of 33 and push gateway is working on 9091 port number. Let me copy here and paste it over here. And also we can open the Prometheus GUI. This is my 1990 is my Prometheus GUI. We have already opened graphical user interface. This GUI means. And we can search for this service. Copy here, graph and paste it over here. I see something or nothing? Nothing. I'm observing here. The reason behind is that I have not forward anything to the push gateway. Where for that reason, what we need to do here in the previous chapter, we have covered that how we can send the alert to the push gateway. And this is the copy here. Now, till here, we just created the script here, right? Let me copy this command and Control L and paste it over here. What this command does, this is my if statement. It is previously same. And after that, I added here pipe sign and curl hyphen hyphen data hyphen binary at the rate hyphen. And this is my push gateway URL. After that matrix, and then I can use anything jobs and alert manager. I'm just checking here alert manager services. So for that reason, I have added here alert manager. Okay. Else, same thing will be print 0 and after that pipe and the same thing here. This command I have already explained in my previous chapter. Now if I press enter here, now let's go to our Prometheus gateway here and refresh the page. I see one job equal to alert manager. If I click here, I will observe more information here. Same thing, there's push gateway. Prometheus server will pull the data from the push gateway, right? Every 15 seconds. This is what we have configured. Let me execute this command here. Now I see 0. 0 means down. Fair enough. And this is the post text that we need to execute here. Now let's start this service again of this alert manager here. After that, I need to execute this command again. Same command. Let me go back to my push gateway here and the value here is 0, right? The down. Let me refresh the page here and go to Prometheus here. It is 0 here and it is now 1. This is how Prometheus pull the matrix from the push gateway. This is the custom script that we are creating here. Now we have performed the post checks and all are good. Now there are some certain requirement that we need to create the matrix with the help of some file. Take an example that we have one file and there is one output. Let me go to here, this directory, one by one. Okay. And here I'm going to create one file that is file1.txt. If I get this file, I should see only one here. Okay. Any value that you want to use. Let me take this file value in one variable. And how we can do it here? We need to use this sign. Okay. This is above the tab button on your keyboard. If I echo this variable, so here I need to use dollar sign for any variable. Now it is printing 1. Now same logic of funda we are going to apply here that backup equal to this one semicolon. If this variable is equal to 0, then it should print echo backup status is 1. Take an example that we execute one job for backup and it executed well and it print one file that the backup is completed and the value is 1. 1 means good, 0 means bad. Okay, and the same thing we are going to here add here, copy this line here. It says backup status is 0. 1 and backup status is 0. The value is not equal to 0 because the value is 1, right? The backup status is 0. Anything you can take the, and same thing if I execute 0 here, let me update here 0 and execute the same command here. It says backup status is 1. And what we can do here, we just need to append on this script. Okay, I have just added here. Now what we can do here, let me go back here, and this is my file, right? Here I'm just copy like this one till here, paste it over here. Now it says that if backup is 0, then I need to add here. Okay, let me copy here, not like this one. Let me copy this command here. It will be easy for me. I just need to copy from here till here and paste it over here for 1. Same thing for echo. I just need to copy and paste it over here. Whatever the value, it will print. So this is my matrix name and this is my value. Simple term. Let me copy and paste it over here. For the post checks, what we can do here, we just need to refresh the page here. For some reason, it is not showing here. Let me check. Okay, the alert manager, I have added here only the alert manager here. So it's overrated here. Let me modify here, backup 1, copy and paste it over here, backup 1. That's it. Now this time copy and paste it over here again. Clear the window and go to our Prometheus server. Now I see job equal to backup 1. And same thing I will observe here, and my matrix name is backup status, right? The status is 1 here. If I cat this file, cat file 1.txt, I have 0 here. This is what we have mentioned here. If it's equal to 0, then the backup is 1. Whatever the funda you want to apply here, you can apply like this way. If you want to monitor the written code, if it's more than 200, you can use greater than sign. It's all up to you how you can modify. Just for your information, if you are new in my channel, that is, you need to open the github.com and then search for Anish Rana 2001, and further you will observe different repositories. For Prometheus, you need to click here. Okay, and if you want to explore on Facebook, then you can follow DevOps-Wala. This is my webpage in Facebook. And if you want to open the website, then you can use web devops-wala.com. And here I have already uploaded the Kubernetes full course. It all are free, and CK exam and CKAD exams types of question, so that you will be aware what type of question it may ask. And if you are in LinkedIn, then you can follow me on Anishan 2001 LinkedIn page here, and YouTube. Obviously, if you are watching this video, so you can open any of my videos. If you like to show your support, click on these three horizontal button and further click on thanks. Feel free to contribute any amount you would like. I'm requesting this donation to outsource the video editing process, which will significantly save my time. As a result, you will receive more meaningful videos sooner. This is how you can increase it, up to you. Buy and sell. That's it. Thank you very much for this session. I hope like this video. Bye bye.